Hey everyone, my name is Justin, and I love two things, esports and fantasy sports. So what exactly am I talking about? Well, esports are any type of professional sports competitions using digital games like League of Legends and Call of Duty. And fantasy sports are a way for sports fans to enhance their watching experience by entering contests to create the best roster of professional sports players to win prizes and rewards. There are over 115 million people that play fantasy sports worldwide while watching traditional sports like basketball and football. Given that there are 200 million people that love watching esports globally, it was surprising to find that all current fantasy esports options did not cater to esports fans and are limited in three ways. For one, all fantasy sports sites expect users to have high disposable income, as the cost to enter a single contest can vary from $5, $10, to upwards of $1,000, which most esports fans can't afford. Two, our competitors are often considered online gambling, which is prohibited or highly regulated worldwide. And finally, all current sites are designed for users only interested in winning cash prizes. Enter XP Fantasy, where we provide daily fantasy esports done the right way. We provide an affordable fantasy esports experience for fans worldwide who don't want to gamble, but still want to win prizes. Based on our countless user interviews, as well as many iterative launches, we've identified three main differentiators that make us better than the competition. One, we're the first to implement a freemium subscription model, as we just charge $8 a month for fans to compete and win prizes at an affordable cost. Two, XP Fantasy is also not considered online gambling because our subscription model removes the daily entry fees that our competitors require, allowing us to be accessible to esports fans worldwide. And finally, we also found that esports fans are enticed by winning more than just cash. So we provide esports-specific prizes like live coaching sessions from former pros. There's over 200 million fans that consider themselves to be esports enthusiasts over casual viewers. And this is projected to increase to 300 million by 2022. Our research shows that approximately 10 million of those users worldwide would be interested in playing fantasy esports. And at $8 a month, this leads to a global market opportunity of $960 million. We just launched in March and have nearly 600 users on the platform by partnering with over 50 plus collegiate esports clubs and several esports influencers. We're also currently participating in a Korean accelerator program run by the government to kind of kickstart our expansion into the country best known as being the mecca of esports. This is our team, and we have an extremely diverse team with experience in digital marketing, software development to build everything in-house, and legal strategy to navigate those international gambling regulations. We had some great conversations with the LiONS mentors, and we've already started implementing some of the feedback that they provided, including obtaining business liability insurance. And with the help of the Korean government, we'll also be trademarking a lot of our branding material. If there's one thing to take away from our pitch, it's that daily fantasy esports is an untapped market, not only in North America, but many countries worldwide. This is a $1 billion opportunity with an 11% growth rate, and we're ready to take the next step with the help of LiONS LAIR. Thank you.